Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by, and if you're my old subscriber, thank you for coming back. Guys, in today's video I just want to show you quick recipe. Guys, this is chicken. I made this chicken day before yesterday, I think. Yes, day before yesterday, and it's left over, and I quickly want to say, oh, and today I don't have anything to eat. Then I just take it out from the fridge, and then I want to make shawarma, like chicken shawarma. Okay, that here I have some mayonnaise, ketchup, and hot sauce. I put some here, then I mix them together, and I have lettuce, red bell pepper, and yellow bell pepper, and I have two tortilla bread. And then guys, I just want to show you so that if you have any left chicken at home and you have tortilla bread, just make it quickly, and then your lunch is ready. Okay, don't let us waste our time. Let's just get right into the video. This is my first tortilla bread, and I will just add some mayonnaise and ketchup and the hot sauce. I will put some like this. Just add some. Then I'll add some lettuce, red pepper, and yellow pepper. Then I will take my leftover chicken. Just put. Okay, guys. And I'll just add some mayonnaise to it. Fold it like this, then like this, and guys, this is it. This is the first one. I'll show you when I'm done with the second one. Guys, this is the second one. Yes, just add some lettuce and some yellow pepper, red pepper. Yes, and some chicken. Just add our sauce. Then we fold it. There's it. And there's the second one. This is the first one. Then I will show you. I will put it on the fire. On your stove, I just spray some oil in the pan. Let it heat. Okay, I think it's hot enough. Then place your shawarma bread. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, let's flip it back. Let's see. Wow. Now it's good. Now let's take it out. This out. Guys, can you see it? Yes. This has. Let me show you guys. As you see it, it's very, very yummy, very good. And guys, this is the second one. You can see it. They look so nice and so. And this is the left from the sauce. And I make some fries also. I make some fries. Just sorry. It's okay. I will eat it. Okay. Voila. Your lunch is ready. Within 5 minutes to 6 minutes, I make this amazing dish. Yes. Okay, guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give me thumbs up and subscribe, and please don't forget to turn on your post notifications so that you'll be notified whenever I upload any new video. Thank you, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.